The 2018 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.